Sa darating na Huwebes po, dito po sa GMA News TV at 1 p.m., the Philippine National Police searches for its first win when they go up against the Philippine Army. Let's send it now to Bianca Saldua.
Alam mo, Noel, kung ano yung pinakaunang salita ng mga coaches, yan din ang pinakahuling salita nila. Gigil na si Coach Oliver dahil hinahanap pa niya ang magandang reception galing sa team. He believes pag nakakuha sila ng isang set, tuloy-tuloy na yan. And eto naman, si Coco Wang sabi niya na we can do this, we have the potential para ma-uplift naman ang kanyang mga teammates. Si Coach Nestor naman naghahanap ng tiyaga sa blocking. If they keep to that, para sa kanya sure win na ito. Hindi pa pwede mag-relax ang Cagayan dahil mahaba pa tong set na ito. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Ann.
Well, pagdating sa reception, hindi nagawa yun ni Mike Camorada. Nahulog sa harapan niya yung bola. And Tipachot has just been toying with the Meralco receivers. Phil Cainglet. Soraya now going to Angueta Baquero. Hindi tumawid ang tira ni Angge. So Coco Wang, the intimidating presence, nakatulong that time. Sabay ngiti naman to si Angge.
Alright, ngayon ang kailangan i-maximize ng Meralco, no? Yung presence si Coco Wang in front. And also Cainglet, of course, needs to produce some points.
Sa open talaga, hindi masyado nakakuha ng puntos itong kupunan ng Meralco, at least in this game. Coco Wang on the delay. Good coverage there by April Jose. Here's Phil Cainglet going cross-court once again. And Tabaquero cannot get there. Oliver Almagro trying to get his troops all revved up. Down by 3. Ivy once again. Third fielded there by Aiza Maizo. They go to Angge on the other side, and again, no defense at the back para sa Meralco.
And itong Cagayan Valley Rising Sun seems to be enjoying the setting services of Soraya. Masarap silang pumalo ng bola.
Again, nabanggit mo kanina, Soraya, iisa lang itsura ng kanyang set dito.
Very consistent. One big advantage of Cagayan right now.
Here's Cainglet on the adjustment, trying to attack the backline, pero ang bilis ng adjustment ni Tipachot. And Jen Reyes cannot get to that attack by Angueta Baquero.
Well, sa ngayon, kanina na-mention mo, no, Meralco is lacking in terms of outside hitters delivering the points. Yun naman ang strength dito ng Cagayan Valley.
Well, Morada will sit as we take a look at the slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Wrong-footed si Jen Reyes that time. 11-6. Maizo. Good reception there by Ivy. Phil Cainglet turned back there by Soraya. And Panay Mercado just checked in. Kinawid yung bola. Here's Angge once again. Dug up there by Cainglet. Coco Wang. Yes! At si Junela nagulat. Ang hina ng tira.
Mahina yung tira. Tapos tinapik lang talaga ni Wang. And found that open space.
11-7. Still a 4-point lead for the Rising Suns. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Cainglet now on the serve. Soraya now going to Angge. Angge off the block again. Specialty na yan ni Angueta Baquero. Si Angueta Baquero, when she's not playing volleyball, alam mo kung anong trip niyan? Mag-surfing.
Mag-surfing. Actually,
Surfer girl.
Interesting yung mga hobbies, interest nitong mga ano natin, players natin dito.
Coco Wang, when she's not playing volleyball, she's thinking about volleyball.
Eat, sleep, and ano ba yan? Breathe volleyball.
Tandaan natin, ano? She was an NCAA player in the United States para sa Fresno Pacific University. I believe that is the same school where, if not, sino ba? Either Josh Orbistondo or Josh Van Landingham went to. In the face of Ivy Remulla.
And you can see when they played together in one of the seasons. So, sorry, ate. Let's take a look at that again. Nakita mo si Wenas after
Point. Now Angueta Baquero to put it in play. Jen Reyes. Ivy going to Paneng. Soraya now across for Tipachot, and there she goes again.
Nice, sharp set for Tipachot. Yung mga sibat na set
Yes. 14-8. Timeout Meralco.
Guys, yun lang Doon tayo, yun din tayo babalik That's our pattern. 1, 2. Okay, then yun nandito. Move sa likod. Move here. Yun lang yung nangyayari sa atin, oh. Again. 1. Alam nila niyan dyan si Efren. Pak! Pak! Okay? So yun lang. Kaya natin itong ginagawa niyo to eh. So kailangan lang wag mag-hesitate. Okay? So,
Again, very specific galing dito kay Coach Oliver, pero tignan natin yung very specific attack dito ni Kanika Tipachot. Talagang huli yung blockers. Talagang walang problema para sa kanya. 14-8. Mga fans dito na nagwawalaan eh. Uh-oh. And Eulalio was not able to convert. Eulalio now, this time goes back to it. Combination, Panay Mercado off the block. Wala na mapupuntahan to si Aiza Maiso.
Alright, now all the points are very important para sa kupunan ng Meralco.
At saka napapansin mo, mas madalas na pupunta sa open ngayon ng Meralco.
Kanina yun ang hinahanap natin,
Oo.
ano? Puntos galing sa outside hitters.
Maiso, Soraya, naibigay pa rin kay Wenneth. Soraya, ay walang tao pala ron, sabi ni Jack. Nako.
Nako,
Huli
ako
na.
kahabol nito, pero huli na nga.
Oo. Huli na ang lahat para dito kay Jack Minella.
Walang nagtawagan, wala rin nagsalatay. Yun ang nagiging problema nitong mga teams natin sa communication.
And also, Ann, pag yung first ball nakuha na setter, kanino responsibility yung second ball?
Of course, sino pinakamalapit sa
Oo.
bola should actually get it. But in that case, walang tao.
Well, Tipachot able to go through. Ivy Remulla that time. 15-10. Cagayan Valley still lording it over here in set number 3. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pomla Soraya once again.
So, nakita natin gaano katindi ang mga serve niya kanina.
Well, Paneng is now blocked again by Tipachot. Sige, tuloy niyo yung naturalized movement for Tipachot.
Pwede.
Lamang na ng 6 ang Cagayan Valley.
Ito ang Shakey's Billy.